To South Africans that you want to tell us that a black man cannot be found in this country. That is an insult.
I told you I hired black men, but not the ones that are sent to me.
Yes.
The ones that I came. Let me show you the guys that we hired.
Never mind.
We tried them off Abdul. They came in there. They're dangerous.
Okay, how many foreigners you have now?
Left now, about 6 left now.
Six.
About
Okay.
6.
Then. No. Let's agree to disagree on that one. You've got 6. Okay. These ones. These are those ones that need to be verified and be deported. Because even if they've got papers, but what they performing at Jolly Means, the Jolly Means is not qualified under the category of star skills that the country must absorb those skills from another country. So whether they are legal or not legal, but the job that they are doing is not the job that South Africa needs from outside. Then you must agree on that one. So whether they are whether they are legal or not legal, but you must get rid of them, and then you must hire South Africans.
Last year in December when you came, I spoke to Mr. MK. He came. I spoke to him. I told him we're phasing them out slowly. He agreed to upon that. It's not an overnight story. We are phasing them out slowly. And those who I've sent letters to the MK party and said, listen, if you have contact the team, the CC me, what do I do? I show all the information via emails and all that. I spoke to the MK party and stuff. They said, whatever is happening here, as long as they inform me, is more important than that. Let me show you what I had to have.
Station, la kuboshwe namhlanje ama-foreigner awu-5 waboshwa nomphathi waseJolly Means ikhehla elisuma leJolly Means ade bokufika. Njengamanje besifika la baboshwe mina, njengamanje besifika manje so-check akasekho umphathi khona 2 ukhishwe nge-fine 2 ukhokhile wadedela ulivumile icala wadedela. So sathina naleyo nto leyo. Ukuthi kanjani futhi lo Jolly Means ufuna kuphinde ubone kusasa ke ufuna kucaca ukuthi isikuneme in a relationship nalesa sitolo lesi ngoba iyakwazi ukudedela umuntu eboshiwe kodwa ama-foreign wone besele ngoba ukuba kukhona kwama-foreigner akukhombisa ukuthi khona into erong eyenzakele khombisa ukuthi awanamaphepha. So sathina naleyo metha la manda